Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add reviews in Shopify. In order to do that, if you want to add your reviews right here onto your product, what you can do is you can head over right here to your dashboard. Now from in here, click on the apps just below it, and then click on this all recommended apps. From in there, scroll down and click on the Shopify App Store. From in there, you should be able to see the Shopify App Store right here. Just click on the search bar and search right here for review. So once you have searched for this, just head over and enter it, and then you should be able to see in here some search results. From in here, you can actually add any reviews app that you want. For me, I'll head over and then use this judge.me. Click on this. Click on this install right here, and then from in there it will redirect you back to Shopify, and Shopify will ask you if you want to actually install this. So from in there, just head over and click on this install button right here, and then this will be installed to your store. From in there, head over and click on this start setup, and then once you have done that, click on this enable app embed, and it will open your Shopify editor in order to enable this particular application onto your website. So just wait for your Shopify editor, and then from in here, just head over and then turn this on, and then click on this save right here in order to save it. Now it will actually show right here just below it. If ever your product has some reviews, it will show directly when you open the particular application. So that's how you add reviews in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.